Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called pminternship.mca.gov.in. So if you are a college graduate and you are looking for an internship, you can come to this website which is launched by Government of India. It's called PM Internship Scheme. So you can come to this portal and there are thousands of companies who are providing internship. This is provided for learning opportunity for interns. So now you can see here, you can come and click on this registration button. So the selected candidates are encouraged to watch the video below for a step-by-step guide. You can refer to this. So this is the FAQs. So these are some of the internship that has been provided. So if you are in between age of 21 to 24 years, if your job status is not employed full-time and no member is earning more than 8 lakhs per annum, no member has a government job in the family, and your education not enrolled full-time. So this provides 12 months real-life experience in top companies, monthly assistance of 4,500 rupees by Government of India and 500 by the industry. So one-time grant of 6,000 for incidentals. Insurance coverage for every intern under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana by Government of India. So these are various profiles. You can find out more information about it here. Now if you come here, you can explore various opportunities in various sectors. So whether if you click on defense and aviation, you can see these companies which are providing in particular sector. So if you see 125,000 opportunities are there in 25 sectors, 36 states. So this is the portal. Now I'll go to FAQs in English, which will cover most of the questions that you will have. So what is the Prime Minister Internship Scheme? So the Prime Minister Internship Scheme is a Government of India initiative aimed at providing internship opportunity to youth in top 500 companies in India. So what is internship anyway? You will be aware of through the PM Internship Scheme. What kind of internship will I get? So you will be eligible for internship across various sectors that is mentioned here. What kind of companies will I get to intern with? So you'll be working with top 500 companies from across India. So the duration of the internship is 1 year, 12 months. So will I be sitting in a classroom during my internship? At least half of internship, 6 months, must be spent in the actual working experience, that is job environment, not in the classroom. So will I get a job after internship? The PM Internships provides a valuable opportunity to learn, while the scheme does not guarantee a job upon completion. So it is subjective. So who can apply? So you must be in age group of 21 to 24. And you must not be employed full-time or engage in full-time education. Candidates enrolled in online or distance learning programs are eligible for this. You have completed your secondary high school certificate. So can international candidates apply? No. So can I apply for internship opportunity if I am enrolled in an online distance? Yes. So you would have got an idea of there are so many questions you have. All those things have been answered here in this document. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.